Okay, so now we're going to find the emails. This is going to require hunter.io. If you go into the document here, you'll see that the next step is to create a new sheet, copy and paste the emails, or copy and paste the data, and then use Hunter for sheets to find the emails. So I'm going to do that now, and then next I'm going to show you how to guess the emails Hunter could not find. So let's do it. So you're just going to copy and paste the emails, all the data that you already gathered, just go ahead and copy it. Go ahead and open up a new sheet right here, add sheet. You don't have to name it because we're going to delete it in a sec. But go to this cell right here, paste it, and then name these columns again: company, website, position, first name, last name. And you're going to have to get the add-on for sheets, so go to add-ons and go ahead and go to get add-ons. And then you're going to have to search for the hunter.io add-on. So if I go for email hunter, I think it's called email hunter or hunter.io. Yeah, Hunter for Sheets. It's called Hunter for Sheets. So you have to add this. I already have it installed. If you have a Hunter.io account, then you can use it. Then you just click Add-ons, Hunter for Sheets, open. It's going to pop up over here. And what you can do is go to Email Finder here on the right. And then you're going to add the column. So column of the first name is column D, as you can see right here. Column B is the column of the last name, column E, sorry. Column B has a domain name, and then column A has a company name. And then you just click find email addresses. And it's going to go ahead and it's going to try and find all of the emails automatically. It's pretty quick, and I have to upgrade. I have to redo my membership. One sec. Alright, I just bought more credits, so I'm going to finish this up. I should continue where it left off. Yeah, here we go. So it's going to go through and it's going to go ahead and find all the emails that it can. Sometimes it won't be able to find the email though. And sometimes it'll happen. Sometimes it'll find almost every email. Sometimes it will barely find any emails. But this is the next step. It's going to guess, usually it guesses most of them, like 75, 80%. And then we have to manually guess the rest here. So that's the next one. So this is the end result. It's gotten 15 out of 19, so a little more than 75%. Now we're going to guess these emails. I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video.